In this program, I created a simple personal finance tool in C that lets me log and analyze daily expenses using only plain variables, and basic file handling functions. It saved the records in a text file and I can add list, total, report, and even edit expenses directly from it. So now, kani, this defines constants for file name and maximum lengths of category and date. The file will be stored, the file to store expenses data, and this ensures that the maximum length of the category name is 16 and has no space. This is the maximum length of the date string. Now this is the function prototypes. These functions handle different operations. This void add expense adds a new expense to the file, and this void list expense list all expenses and show a grand total. And this void daily total show the total amount spent on a specific date. And this void category report generate a report by category with cumulative amounts. Void edit expense will edit the amount for a specific expense. Here's the main loop, which keeps showing the menu until the user decides to quit. This will display the menu with options for the users to choose. And here, this will get user input for menu choice. And this switch statement perform the corresponding action based on user input. And this is the end of program. And now we have another function. This function is to add a new expense to the file. This will open file for appending new data. And this will exit if the file cannot be opened. And here we are going to get user input for the new expenses. This will then write the expense data to the file. And here, it will close the file after writing. We have here another function, which is a function to list all expenses and calculate the grand total void list expense. This will open file for reading F. This will exit the file if cannot be opened. And here it will read each line of the file and display the expense data. Then after, it will add the amount to the grand total. And we have here another function to calculate the total spent on a specific date. And then after that, we will then get user input for the date and search. This will then read each line and accumulate the total for the specified date. This here will add the total if the date matches. Another function, another function here, a function to generate a category report with cumulative amounts. This is an array to store sum of amounts for each category. And here is an array to count occurrences of each category. Then this here will count of distinct categories. And the while loop here will read each line of the file and process category data. And here, it will check if the category already exists in the categories array. Then this will add the amount to the category total. And this will increment the count for the category. And if the category is not found, add it to the category. This will add it to the category array. And then this will close the file after reading. This will then open the report file for before writing. Well, the return means it will exit if the report file cannot be opened. This will write the category report for the file. And we have another function, which is to edit the amount of a specific expense in the file. This will open the file for reading and writing. And this will exit if the file cannot be opened. Here we will then get user input for the expense to edit. And here we will be going to read the file and find the expense to edit. And the fclose here closes the file after editing. Here is the output. Um, It's the output.